This is our night to shine.
What's up, Imaginators? We are, well, my dad and I, we had to drop my mom off at the airport this morning because she is on her way to the Big Island. Well, my dad and I, my dad's right over there, he and I are actually at Shark's Cove, which is just a little fun snorkeling spot. I highly recommend it. It is gorgeous here. There are so many snorkelers. You guys can see my favorite spot is actually right over there where the water is not rough and it's not shallow. It's not too shallow, but it's not too deep. Like, there are plenty of rocks where I can go to stand on, and I just saw a crab. There he is. Do you guys see him? I don't know if you guys can see him. It's super dark in there. Ooh. These are the guys you have to watch out for. There are sea urchins everywhere, so you have to watch out. That is why I am wearing shoes. The sun is out. The sun is shining, and the sun definitely does help with the. My shoes coming untied. Hate when that happens. Oh, there are two more. Those things. Oh, found some big sea urchins. I'm gonna go show you guys. There's more right there.
There's a bunch of them closed up over here.
We are seriously trying not to fall. I have never seen a sea cucumber before, never have I held one. I've only seen them at the aquariums. Right, Dad? That was really cool. And the hermit crabs too. Hey guys, it is late and we actually just watched a really good movie, a Netflix original called Oktra. I highly recommend it. It is a movie about well, I don't want to spoil it. So, I'm going to end the vlog here. Good night, everyone. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. See you tomorrow.